Want to know how to see archived chats in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you click on that, you should be provided with this scenario. And now, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing something known as the menu. So just simply select menu, and once you select menu here, you should be provided with this interface. Now, on the first group right here, you should be seeing three: marketplace, message request, and archive. So since you are checking out archive, just simply select archive right here. And once that is done here, you should be seeing all of your archive chats. So you can just simply select it and unarchive them, or just delete it as you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.